Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to create a spell number function in Excel to convert numeric value to the spelling format. The function I am going to create here has multiple features like simple conversion of number to spelling and conversion of number to spelling in currency format. Let me show you how it works. In this cell, let me write a number that is 124.87. In the next cell, let me press equal to, then type here spell. Here you can see the spell number function is suggested. Double click on this, then in the number parameter click on this number, close bracket, press enter. Here you can see this number is converted into the spelling format 124.87. let me show you another formula syntax for currency format. Here in this cell, let me write the same number, and in the next cell let me use the spell number function. In the number parameter, click on the number value, put a comma. In the unit name, put the unit name of the currency. For example, US dollar. So put here double quotation, US dollar, double quotation. Then put a comma. In the subunit name, put the subunit name, that is cents. So put here double quotes, cents, double quotes. Then put a comma. And in the subunit digits, put how many digits the subunit has. That is 2 for US dollar currency. Now close bracket, press enter. Here you can see this number is converted to spelling format in currency 124 US dollar and 87 cents. Now let's learn how to create this function in Excel. First of all, you need to have the VBA code required for creating this function. The required VBA code is here in this notepad document. I will provide this code in the video description below, from where you can copy this code. First of all, select all this code. Then right click, then click on copy. Go to Microsoft Excel, click on the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. Here in the VBA window, click on insert, then module. And here in the module section, right click, then paste the copied code. Now close this VBA editor window. Now you should see the spell number function. Click on a cell, press equals, then type spell. Here you see the spell number function is given. Now you can use this spell number function for simple conversion of number to odd and conversion of number to odd in currency format. After creating this function in Excel, to save this function in the workbook, you have to save this Excel workbook as macro enabled file type. For that, click on the File tab, click on Save As, and here in the type of the file, you have to select this Excel macro enabled workbook. Then choose the location where you want to save the file. Then click on the Save button. Later, to use this function in Excel, you have to open the macro enabled version of the file. So this is how you can create a spell number function in Excel to convert the number to odd in simple format and currency format. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you again in next tutorial.